Hello dear friends, happy new year. I'm gonna give you a quick update on what I have been working really quick. I'm starting to make my stickers. I don't know if you remember what I said I was gonna add stickers to my site. I also gonna be working on new designs. I just need to take pictures and post them. This is my first try, and as you can see the colors are not what I expected. I just wanted to show you this is because I just designed it, I printed, and this is what I come up with. What I did to fix this is I cleaned the heads of my printer and I did an alignment. So the next one was this one. As you can see, the colors are a lot better. So this is just a cheap paper that I bought from Amazon. I just bought it so I want to try it. So this was the first one, this one the second one, and then this one is the third one, and I love it. I really like this design. This is like vinyl. I still gotta test it on water, but I'm pretty comfortable with the results. I tried some more because I was just trying to adjust them, but like I said, I was trying them on this cheap paper. I don't know if you can see right here, this is the last one that I printed, and I was just working with the cut around the hearts because it was a little bit off and I didn't like it. I don't know if you can see in this one, but let me see, I don't know if it's focused. It was not centered and I did not like that, so I've been playing with that. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I didn't like it. So that's what I've been playing with my Cricut. I made an alignment on my Cricut. This is the last one, and as you can see, this is a lot better. So this is a lot better than this one. So the color problem, I fixed it. So I think the color is good. It's good quality, but I didn't like the cut for this one. I got a lot of progress. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to print it now that I have the printer and the Cricut fixed. So if you like these stickers, they're gonna be available on my website pretty soon, hopefully by tomorrow. I am also working for my other channels, my jewelry channels. I made this ring. I'm gonna be making that. It's with wire, really easy, and with resin. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.